It is very important to sync products between your offline and online stores, and also to keep updating new products into a common platform for smooth inventory management. Orderhive has a feature which facilitates bulk import of products and hence cuts down the hassle of adding products one by one. In this video, we will see how to bulk import products in Orderhive. First, go to Products page and click on Import option from the bottom menu bar. From the options, select Import Product. This will open a pop-up wherein you need to upload an Excel file to import products. But first, you need to download a template. This will export the template in an Excel sheet format in which you can enter the new products that you wish to create in Orderhive in the given format only. Please make sure you don't delete any existing column or add a new one in the sheet. Enter the product details in columns for product name, SKU, description, barcode, brand, and category. If it is a configurable product, enter all the variants and variant SKUs, option label by which variants are differentiated, HSN code, weight, buy price, wholesale price and retail price, and quantities. Once you have entered details for all products you need to add, save the file. Then upload this file either by drag and drop or browsing option. And click on Import to upload the file. This will take a few seconds depending on the number of products in the sheet. You will receive a notification after the import is complete. The log file of the import can be downloaded by clicking on the notification. A log file would help you to know if the import was performed successfully for all products or if there was any error with a corresponding reason. As the sheet gets imported successfully, all the products will get populated on the inventory page as updated in the sheet. That's all. I hope this was a useful video. If you still have any queries, chat with Orderhive experts from the chat icon at the bottom right corner. Subscribe for more videos, and as always, thanks for watching.